What's the meaning of commonplace book? Commonplace book. Commonplace book.
Commonplace book. Commonplace book. A commonplace book is a type of journal or notebook used to collect and organize personal thoughts, ideas, quotes, and information from various sources such as books, articles, lectures, and conversations. It originated in the Renaissance era as a way to catalog and preserve intellectual insights for later use. Commonplace books are often used by writers, scholars, and creatives as a repository for inspiration and reflection. They can serve as a valuable tool for self-discovery, creativity, and learning. In short, a commonplace book is a personal scrapbook for ideas and inspiration.